Look at this amazing dress with these vivid, wonderful colors. Peplum sleeves, fabulous bust line, and this material is so cool. It's very sleek, and this dress measures 44 1/4 in length. Look at that beautiful design. I love it. It's very, very unusual, and it's beautiful on, very figure flattering, comfortable to wear. So it has this metal zipper down the back. It measures 18 across the bust and 15 3/4 across the waist. And the only thing wrong with it is somebody repaired it here at the cuff. It's got these cute little candy buttons. Okay, so now we have this gorgeous green flapper.